So these are your non-working hours, and you are finding it very difficult to get your work-life balance in place because there is an endless stream of emails coming in from your workplace, and you really want to get your mind in a healthy space, and you want a break from these constant notifications. And also, I think since you are also going to choose not to respond to work related emails outside of your working hours, especially when you're on vacation or perhaps during your off hours on a daily basis and on weekends, it's also good manners to let the people know that you are not available for immediate response, but that you will get back to them as soon as your work hours resume, right? So how do you set that up for yourself in your email? So what you need to do is look at the top right hand corner of your screen, and you have the settings cog. Click on this. In the drop down menu, you click on settings again, and it takes you into your settings page. We are of course going to stay within the general tab. Scroll right down to the bottom of the screen, and this is where you have the vacation responder. So right now, as you can see, my vacation responder is off. So we're going to switch this on, and starts from the 31st of May, which is okay. I usually leave this open because I need to activate and deactivate this on a daily basis. It's a bit annoying, I know, and I wish Google would really think about this and automate this entire process of auto switch on and switch off of the vacation responder at your preset timings and days. So how to move on right now? So as you have seen, I've set my subject as out of office. You might want to set it up any which way you want. Maybe you're on a week-long or 2-week-long vacation, so you might want to say I'm on vacation, and then you can type in a message that I have, that thank you for reaching out to me. We all need some work-life balance. So for that reason, I'll be responding to your emails between 7:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. I should be saying this. I should edit this saying Monday to Friday because I like to have my weekends off from work as well. So say between Monday to Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. IST, because I'm in India only, just in case I get an email from overseas and they don't really know my timings. Thank you for your patience. Please thank them because they might be expecting a quick answer, but you've already told them that you won't. So thank you for your patience. I already have a signature set, so I'm not going to add a signature. You may wish to. And here, since I am doing this from within my domain, you can choose to either send a response to only to those people who are in your contacts and only a response to people in your work domain. So I have of course chosen to put it in the work domain because my colleagues should also be taking a break during their non-working hours. The other mails, of course, I choose to respond when people contact me from other domains or other IDs. I usually take my time in responding, right? Work related emails always expect you to kind of respond at the earliest, so this is really for that. And at the end of it, don't forget to save changes because this part of Google does not auto-save. So I'm going to save changes. So check this once again. So I have switched on my vacation responder, starts right now. I'm not going to enter the last day because it's optional and I kind of have to do this on an almost daily basis. I've checked my message for any grammatical errors and save changes. And that's it. And you get the sticker on top of your page saying out of office right now. And I can end this right now. So this is very handy when I will log in on Monday 7:30 in the morning, and I can end now, or I can choose to go into vacation settings and disable it from there. So I hope this was a useful video. It's very important in today's time, especially where in this working from home culture has blurred the lines between office hours and personal hours. It is very important for us to set boundaries for ourselves, for our own mental health.